Hello, this is Pat Saito, Mississauga Councillor for Ward 9. I'm making this video to reach out to my residents and beyond to let you know what we are doing at the City of Mississauga to help you, our citizens, during this terrible time of the COVID-19 pandemic. I want to first give my personal thanks to all of you who are out there on the front lines, who are serving your community and making it possible for those of us that are staying at home to have access to food and other services. So thank you in particular to those in the medical field who are working in our hospitals to treat the patients who have tested positive for COVID-19, along with all of the others who are in the hospital supporting them. Whether it's the person cleaning the floors, doing the laundry, making sure that food is available, each and every one of you are vital to us fighting and winning against the pandemic. I want to thank the truck drivers. Without you, the goods would not be getting to our markets. That leads me to thanking those of you who are working in our grocery stores and other essential businesses. I want to also thank all of our frontline workers, our emergency workers, our paramedics, our firefighters, and our Peel police. You are out there keeping our city safe. Thank you for all that you are doing and for all that you are facing. Please know that we are behind you, we are with you, and we are supporting you. Also thank our transit workers. You are making it possible for our citizens to get around the city, to get to work, to pick up their essentials. And without you, the city would be grinding to a halt. All of these people are putting their lives on the line every single day for us. So please, if you get an opportunity to say thank you to all of them, please do so. Mississauga has faced disasters in the past, but I have to say that in all the years that I've been on council, this is the worst that we have ever had to deal with. Hearing and seeing of people who live in our communities who are dying from this disease is absolutely devastating. We know from the advice from our medical officers of health what we can do to help stop the spread, flatten the curve, whatever phrase you want to use. It's to stop COVID-19 from spreading further, so that people will stay safe, stay healthy, we will save lives, and we will get through this and be able to get back to our everyday living. Businesses are suffering terribly. We are working with our business community to provide whatever relief we can at the municipal level. And I thank our federal and provincial counterparts for all of the supports that they are providing, not just to our businesses, but to those individuals who have been losing their jobs. So at the City of Mississauga, our council continues to meet every Wednesday morning at 9:30, and you can watch us on live stream at mississauga.ca. But we are making decisions at those meetings that are to the benefit of our citizens. We agreed to defer tax payments for 3 months to let people get through this difficult time. We did the same with our water and wastewater payments at the region and with the stormwater fees that City of Mississauga collects as well. If you go to mississauga.ca, you will find all of the information you need on what you have to do or don't have to do, as we're trying to make it as easy as possible. We have made transit free while the pandemic is ongoing. And we have also waived the parking restrictions that relate to the 5 or the 15-hour parking on streets. One of the things that has impacted our community probably the most visibly is the closing of our facilities, our community centers, libraries, and particularly our park facilities like playgrounds. With children being home from school, we know that they are looking for things to do, but we had to close the playgrounds. We cannot disinfect them after each child. It's just impossible. We have over 500 parks and playgrounds, sports fields, basketball courts, off-leash parks. All of our park facilities have been signed that they are not to be used to prevent the spread of the virus. It really saddens me to see parents continuing to take their children on the playgrounds, or young people playing basketball together and not keeping that physical 6-foot distance that they should be. This coming weekend, our bylaw enforcement officers will be out there blitzing all of our facilities. And if they see people on the equipment, they will be telling them to leave. If they do not, they will be liable to receiving a fine. It's a tough measure to take, but at this point in time, if people are not listening, then they are endangering all the rest of you who are taking precautions. So it's something that we have to do. So please go to the parks for walks with your family. Keep that 6-foot distance from anyone else. Walk the dog. Take the children out. Enjoy the fresh air. We're having some lovely weather right now. But please, please, I beg you, stay off the equipment and keep distance from everyone else. I know it's really hard, but we have to do this. We have to get through it, and we need you to help us. Protect yourself. Wash your hands. I know we're all getting tired of washing our hands, but it's a good practice to get into. If you do this, we can stop the spread of COVID-19. I also want to encourage you to reach out to people in your neighborhood who you know might be in that vulnerable category of being over 70 or having immune-related illnesses that mean that they should not be going out. If you can help them by doing grocery shopping, dropping off items at their home, or in other ways, then please consider doing so. And reach out to your family, reach out to your friends, reach out to people that you know are being isolated and who are probably feeling very lonely right now. I also want to encourage you to join us on April 8th at 7 p.m. for the Teletown Hall that Mayor Crombie is hosting. Members of council will be on the line if you have questions for us, but we will also have experts like Dr. Lowe, our Medical Officer of Health for the Region of Peel. Please visit mississauga.ca to find out how you can join, or if you are one of the people who receives a phone call, please stay on the line on that evening and join into the conversation. I know this video has been very long, and I will continue to connect by video and other means. I'm on my Facebook page all the time, spreading information, and I tweet information as much as I can. My e-newsletter's coming out once a week now with updates. So please visit ward9.ca and find out how you can get information and how you can sign up to continue to get it. Thank you all for all of the sacrifices that you're all making out there. And together we will get through this. It's going to take us some time, but we can be strong and we can all work together to help each other. Thank you.